So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are accrued interest functions in Power BI DAX. So it returns accrued interest for a security that pays periodic interest. Let's move on to the Power BI desktop in order to understand this in more detail. So over here, this is my Power BI desktop, and over here I have uploaded a random data set because in order to create a new measure, you require some data. That's why I have uploaded some random data set, and we are not going to use this data in order to understand how this accrued interest function works. So for that, go to home and simply click on new measure. And over here, let's give it a name as ACC interest. And we are going to use this function, which is ACCRINT. And there are n number of parameters that is required. So the first one is issue. This is basically the securities issue date. The second one is first interest. This is basically a securities first interest date. The third one is securities settlement date. The fourth one is rate, which is the securities annual coupon rate. The next one is securities par value. The next one we have is frequency, which is the number of coupon payments per year. Now let's say we want to get a accurate interest for some data. Let's see the issue date is, and in order to give any date, we need to apply this date function over here. Let's say 2007 31. This is my issue date. The second one is first interest date. This is basically 20, let's say 31st August 2008. So for that, again I have to make use of date function. The year is 2008. The month is 8 and the day is 31. And let's say the first settlement date was 1st May 2008. So for that, again I have to make use of date function. The year is 2008. The month is May, that is 5, and the day is 1. And the coupon rate is, let's say, 10%. So 10% is basically 0.1. And the frequency of semi-annual is, let's say, 2. And the last one is basis, that is optional. So I will just skip that and just hit enter. Let's say what error it is giving. Okay, so we have missed one par value. Let's say let's keep it as 1000 and just hit enter. And as you guys can see, one new measure with the ACC interest has been created. Let's click on this and let's see what it contains. And let's say I want a card. So as you guys can see, the return accrued interest for from issue to settlement date for a security with the terms that we have given in the DAX query is 116.94. So in this way, we can make use of accrued interest functions in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.